I can't lift my hands without, look at this bulge. You gotta move, you gotta move.
I can't tell what's wrong or right. Should I go without saying goodbye? All I know is I need to be somewhere else to set me free.
Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to today's vlog. This is Future Nats actually popping in to put a quick intro in this video because I could not find the intro that I recorded on the same day as this vlog and can't have a video without an intro. So that is why I'm popping in here while I edit to say welcome to today's vlog, and we are going to be spending the day together today. We are going to be decluttering my closet. I was so over it. I was just not feeling my closet pieces anymore, and it was just kind of, you know, I have been hoarding clothes for years, refusing to let them go and stuff like that. So this day I decided that I was over it and I'm going to clear the closet out even if I have zero clothes left. So we're doing that today. We are also doing a baby album, like putting pictures in the baby album, and we're doing a bit of cleaning because domestic chores never end. Whether you are a stay-at-home mom or you work outside of the home, domestic chores are never ending, and so we did get a little bit of household cleaning done. So I hope you enjoy watching today's video. Of course, if you like what you see today, please give the video a big thumbs up because it helps me know that you're enjoying videos like this, and that will prompt me to make even more. So back to previous day nuts and enjoy the video. So funny, my battery ran out the minute I started this portion of the video, but let's hop right in. To be honest, because I'm not going back to work right now and I want to get new clothing to go back to work anyway, I'm not going to be feeling sorry for any of these clothing. Like, if I'm over it, I'm over it, and if I end up with no work clothes, all the better. I can just start fresh, you know. And it's also this kind of day, alcohol in the nose. I'm gonna close the bottle, okay?
I'm acting surprised, but I know I'm not over you. Keep missing our fights, even though they're so overdue. We had a fire, now we're watching it burn low. Isn't it time we go our separate ways? Not enough time, not enough time. I'm falling behind, I hate to separate my body and mind, my body and mind. You feel like demons in my mind, demons in my mind.
Alright, see, like this, I can't lift my hands without, look at this bulge. Gots to go. It gots to go. Gots to go. Gots to go. This one as well. Too tight, it gots to go. Guys, I am not, like, nothing is off limits. Every time I try to clear my closet out, I always end up saying, nah, I could wear this again. Oh, I could wear this again. No, 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 no. This is a maternity blouse. I am planning to post up some maternity stuff. You want up? In the motherhood group to see if any expecting moms would like any of the stuff. So that's the plan for, like, the maternity stuff. And then for the regular clothes, I don't even know. I may carry them to hard off. I don't even know. This could be a judging blouse for summer. This could also be an inside blouse for summer. I really like this blouse, but it's time to go. I've had it for way too long. You guys, I am not joking when I say majority of the clothing items in my closet have been in my closet for years, 7 years, 8 years. And I get that, you know, if they still fit, there's no problem in wearing them. But I feel as, oh, I can keep these. These are newer pieces that I got in more recent times, so I'll keep these too. But yeah, guys, I mean, there's nothing wrong with keeping your clothes as long as they can fit you, but it's like I feel stuck, and you know, I just feel stuck. I feel as if I've just had these clothes way too long. They have gotten their time, and it's just time for me to have new clothing that I like, you know. So that's the aim.
It tastes like you, tastes like demons in my mind, demons pushing all my triggers, losing my pride, but I guess that's what love do to people like us, struggling to come through. We had a fire that we watched it burn out. Go our separate ways. Not enough time, not enough time. I'm falling.
You gotta move, you gotta move. When God gets ready, you gotta move.
Feel like you, feel like demons in my mind, demons, demons in my mind. You, it tastes like all my triggers, demons pushing 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 all my triggers. I'm acting surprised, but I know I'm not over you. Keep missing our fights. Think I'm losing my mind, but I guess that's what love do. You feel like demons in my mind, demons, demons in my mind. You, it tastes like demons in my mind, demons pushing all my triggers. 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 Demons pushing all my triggers.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break and give Aiden some lunch, and then we'll tackle the rest of it, hopefully before he goes on for his next nap. But honestly, we've made good headways. Like, it is so much better to declutter your closet when you're just over it, you know. I came in with the frame of mind to just go, and I'm going to take out whatever, even if I have no clothes to go back to work. It just simply means I'm going to need to go to the second-hand store, or probably pop into GU to see if I can find any cheap stuff and revamp my closet and make it up to date, instead of having clothes that I used to wear to my summer job when I was a college student. Like, I'm over it. I'm so over it. I'm a mom, I'm an adult. Like, quit with the childish clothes, you know. Anyway, I'm going to do lunch. Guys, I still have no shorts on. Well, I have shorts on, but you know. But Aiden is having a mood. Lunch went better than I thought it would. So I served banana oatmeal and kiwi fruit, and it was the first time he was going to have kiwi fruit, and I was a bit nervous about it because yesterday I gave him peach for the first time, and I'm not sure if it was because it was frozen and not fresh fruit, but he didn't like peaches, and so I was a bit nervous about the kiwi. But he really enjoyed the kiwi. But because of how soft the kiwi is, and he was sucking and having his hand all over his face and stuff, some of the kiwi got in his nose and he started sneezing, and that kind of started to get him in a very uncomfortable bad mood. So the meal was over, and I think he took maybe 3 spoons of his banana oatmeal, which is fine. It's not that he didn't like the banana oatmeal, it's just that he was really enjoying the kiwi fruit, and since it's his first time having the kiwi fruit, I allowed him to enjoy the kiwi and, you know, take as much of the banana oatmeal that he wants or feels he needs, because on a day-to-day basis he takes his oatmeal no problem. But he really enjoyed the kiwi, but we didn't get to finish meal time on a high note because stuff got in his nose, and then he started getting very fussy. Okay, I think we did a pretty good job, but that's just the work clothes. I'm going to just peruse the casual clothes, even though when I was pregnant was, I think, the last time I bought clothes for casual purposes. So I'm going to like zoop through, but I think for right now I'm just going to spend some time with Aiden since he is cranky. Might watch a little TV, and then when he wakes up again I will dive into the clothes. But once he goes down to nap, then you guys, you and I, we are going to put carpet in Aiden's room and possibly wipe the floors of the house, because those are the 3 things that I said I wanted to do today: the clothes, put the mat down, wipe the floors. And if I have time, I want to sort some pictures and start pasting them into a little baby album that I have that I'll gift to him when he is maybe 16 or 18, I don't know. But yeah, if we have time we'll get to it in this vlog. If not, another vlog.
You came along, couldn't look away. Somehow you turned my life completely upside down. And since you've been gone, there's no peace of mind. A foolish heart and healing thought I would be fine. No matter where I lay my head, another town, another bed. No matter what I do, I'm still gonna be dreaming of you. No matter who I try to love, it's always you I'm thinking of. No matter what I do, I'm still gonna be dreaming of you. Your silhouette dancing on the wall. I try to close my eyes, but then I hear you call. Yeah, your perfume that I still can stand. But every time I think these scars about to mend. No matter where I lay my head, another town, another bed. No matter what I do, I'm still gonna be dreaming of you. No matter who I try to love, it's always you I'm thinking of. No matter what I do, I'm still gonna be dreaming of you. Nobody got the magic touch. How you make my heart rush? Why is that so hard to find? Nothing better than your kiss, something that I can't resist. Can't forget the nights you were mine. Oh no no, oh no no, still gonna be dreaming of you. No matter where I lay my head, another town, another bed. And no matter what I do, I'm still gonna be dreaming of you. No matter who I try to love.
Hey guys, so what ended up happening was after you guys saw me cleaning up Aiden's room and putting in the mat and stuff, I decided to stop filming and just quickly wipe out. Wait, I think you guys saw me wiping out like the kitchen area. After that, I quickly just wipe out the bathroom as well, and by that time I was so sweaty, I also took like a little wash off. And then I woke Aiden up, fed him. After that, I sat him down on the bed and finished up the closet declutter from the casual clothes side. I didn't declutter much from that side because the pieces were relatively new, so I really just took out stuff that I wasn't liking anymore, that I was sure I was not going to wear. And that was about 6 pieces. I think 2 dresses, and the closet cleanup is done. I'll show you how many empty hangers I have left. He absolutely does not like laying down anymore to like change his diaper. I don't know, it's like all of a sudden he does not want to, like, every time I try to put him down, change his diaper or his clothes or whatever, he just cries. Have a few more things left to get done today, and one of those things is to call a spa because Adam is so kind. He gifted me like a self-care day where, you know, I can go out and do some things for myself. So I want to get a massage and a pedicure, maybe a manicure, I'm not sure, it depends. But I need to call the spa and book the appointment. I could book online, but the online booking form, you can only book one service, and I'm doing multiple things, so I'm going to have to call them. So I want to do that shortly. And then super fun is sorting out the baby album that I was telling you guys about. But the good thing is that the entire house floors are mopped and clean and swept and good to go. The dishes aren't washed, the clothes aren't put away, but like I said, maybe later after Aiden goes to bed I'll do those. I don't know. But the main task of today was definitely mopping the floors, cleaning out the closet, and get the album at least started, the one I'm going to show you in a bit. And yeah, I think we have done a good job so far. Alright you guys, so I need to do the album. I started kind of feeling out of place with things that I needed to get done, and I realized, you know, until I do the album, I won't possibly start feeling as if I got things done. So I'm going to start on doing it. And you know, instead of waiting until Aiden is asleep, I could do it with him as well. So let's do that.
I got this picture in my closet. It's gathering dust right now, and the edges have been folded once or twice.
No, you can't play with scissors. Play with this.
I used to have it hanging on my wall some time ago. A picture of you. You're standing by that window, playing your guitar. And if I close my eyes, I can almost hear your song. A picture of you. And I remember every day that I spent with you, the look you had upon your face when I said goodbye. I don't know why I let you go, but I was young and dumb, and all that I have left from that time is a picture of you. I could talk to you for hours, and we stay up all night. And when morning came, we'd make breakfast in bed. I don't know why I threw
Aiden is done for his last nap of the day, and I wanted to show you real quickly what I did with the album today. So it's this album. I got it on Amazon. If you're interested, you will find a link to it down in the description box below, so check that out. But what I really wanted to do today was to insert the pictures that I have printed so far, and then kind of take note of the other pictures that I want. So I was able to do that. And to be honest, these are not professionally printed photos. They're just paper. It's just like a regular Microsoft Office document, and I printed the papers on it because the sizing of the photos that is supposed to go in this thing are super weird. So instead of going to like a photo studio to like request different sizes of things, we just print them on a paper, in a paper format, and it doesn't matter, since, as you know, we have other well-made albums. So this is where it ends. So here I need photos for these months, but we have better albums that are, you know, well made with good printed pictures for the future for him to look at. So I mean, the fact that this is even like upside down or whatever, it doesn't even matter. It's just a book that we can show him in the future, and he'll be able to keep this one. So yeah. So honestly, I met my to-do list quota of doing everything that I wanted to do on my to-do list today. The only thing that I have not yet done is called the massage place, which I'm going to do right after I dispose of the water that I used to mop the house earlier, and then that would be it for my to-dos for today. Right, this is a very weird angle, you guys. I'm so sorry, but I'm kind of panicking because this nap is usually the short nap of the day. But guess what? I feel proud of myself and what I've accomplished today, because I really completed everything on my to-do list, and now I'm just doing like the bare minimum stuff. So I didn't pull out the camera to like record when I was calling the massage place, because I thought it was going to be so Japanese and you guys would hear me struggle. And then I remember, oh, they actually speak English. So I spoke to them in English, and I have completed booking myself my soft life day. That's what I'm going to call it. Hopefully I'll be able to vlog on that day. I will ask when I get there, or possibly even before I get there, so I can know if I should carry my camera or not, because I mean, there are other things that I'll be doing that you guys could come along with me for, but that would be the main meat of the matter, right? Seeing how massages and stuff is done in Japan and stuff like that. Anywho, I booked a hot stone massage. First time ever getting one of those, and it's my second time ever getting a massage. If you watched my postpartum video, like my 24-hour postpartum video, I'll link it in the description box below. My hospital stay did include a full body massage. Yeah, they treat you right in Japan when you have a kid, okay? And that was my first ever massage, or maybe it was my second, because I remember on our honeymoon after we got married, we did book a massage. So yeah, the honeymoon massage was my first, then the postpartum massage was my second massage. I keep saying massage, that's a Jamaican thing. And then this is going to be my third massage, so I am very excited. I also booked a gel manicure and pedicure, so I'm doing my nails and I am doing my toes, and then on top of that I'm also going to be doing a foot spa treatment, where, you know that thing in Jamaica when they scrub your foot bottom, take the dead skin cells off and stuff. I'll also be doing that. The total cost for that is going to be 30. Let me be accurate with you guys what they said. It's going to cost basically $30,000, 29,000 yen and some change. So 30,000 yen for all of that. I mean, it's expensive, but as I said, my husband gifted me this day. He is covering full cost. He really budgeted and planned for it. This is not an everyday thing for persons who feel as if we have money. We don't. My husband is just trying to give me a day for myself, since as I'm home all day taking care of another little human being, and I'm stressed and I'm tight in the shoulders and I'm, you know, tension all over. So he's gifted me that day for myself. So thank you, husband. Thank you, Adam. But yeah, so excited, you guys, so very excited. And that's in 2 weeks. So yeah, I have that to look forward to. Need to plug it into my calendar so nothing else comes up. Anyway, I'm trying to figure out how to clean the humidifier before Aiden wakes up, and then it's going to be like night routine and all of that stuff.
What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's out of answers? What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants to dance? And I wonder what's that like? I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name.
Aiden is awake, so that is it for whatever cleaning of the humidifier I wanted to get done, at least for right now. But let's get him. What you telling me? What you telling me? Yeah? What you saying? Really? So that is why you wake up crying? Guys, we are fed and happy and saying Dada, Dada, right? He started singing Dada yesterday on Father's Day, so that was a nice little present for Adam, hearing Dada, and he said it all day long, hasn't stopped. It's hot, so if he looks a little disheveled, I am just trying to keep him as open as possible without stripping him naked. I am heading down to the mailbox downstairs because I made an order on the halal store for some meat, and usually it gets delivered the next day, which would have been yesterday or today, but usually it doesn't take this long. So I'm wondering if this morning when I was taking a nap with Aiden, if a delivery came and I didn't hear the doorbell and they left a slip in the mailbox. I'm going to check and be right back. What you saying? What you saying? What you saying? Acorn. Guys, he's talking up a storm. You heard the daddy, right? It's not just me. You heard it. Comment down below if you heard it. My boy is talking, man. Anyway, you guys, I think this is where I'm going to be ending today's vlog. I know it wasn't much, but at least you got to hang out with me today. I got to hang out with you today. We got a lot of stuff done. As a matter of fact, everything that we had on our to-do list to get done, we did get done. So I'm very pleased with the progress that we made today, because honestly I felt as if since having a baby I have not been able to complete all of my to-do list in one day, and it affects my self-confidence that I'm doing nothing. So happy that I got everything done, and tonight I can go to bed with a relaxed brain and not have too much things worrying about, or anything worrying about for that matter, because I would have finished what I was going to do, or what I set out to do. I swear this baby is gonna be crawling soon, guys. Look at him. Aiden. Hi. He's just playing with a diaper right now because I need to close out this video and I want him to be happy. But guys, it was good spending the day with you. As I was saying, if you like today's video, of course give the video a big thumbs up. It helps me out so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below and hit the notification bell to be notified every time I post a video. And until next time, bye guys. We are going to start our little afternoon routine, feeding Aiden his dinner, and then wow, nighttime routine, and then bedtime, and then Adam will come home, we'll get something to eat, and then hopefully we'll relax, probably watch a movie, because we skipped watching anything over the weekend because we had so much to do. But hoping for a better tonight, since as I am free of my tasks, at least for now, I should be able to you know, relax a bit. So yeah, until next time, bye guys.